Hello friends, this is tutorial number 68 in this Java programming language tutorials. In previous tutorial we created two methods. We resolved option 3, which is checking the cash balance, and option 1, add a money. Maybe you are confused with this. I already because I closed this window of these three classes because we created these classes and we are not editing or using it anymore. And to be more clear, we are working only in application window now in our main class and class with main method. And to don't be confused with that, in this tutorial we will in the same way, similar way with option 1, we will have the option 2 vice versa, to withdraw a money. And let us create this method. Okay, in front of this main method we will start with our method for withdraw the money. It will be the same: public static void, and it will be withdraw money, and it will be also for user, logged user. Okay, we also will need a scanner. Scanner input equal to new scanner system dot in, and we will need system out print line. We will need just a second. Enter amount for withdraw, and we will have integer withdraw will be equal to input dot next int. Okay, and we will have the similar situation with like we had with deposit. It needs to be greater than 0, because if it will gonna be a negative number, minus and minus will give a plus, and this is option for withdraw, not for add money. And we will have if withdraw is greater than 0, and let's start. And the same thing, integer cash balance will be the cash balance for logged user. Okay, but we will need one more option. For example, if you on your cash balance you have 500 euros, dollars, I don't know, and you want to withdraw 7 or 800,000. Will you do? You can't. You would like to do it, but you can't. You have only 500, and you only the maximum amount for withdraw is 500, and we need to create that condition in order to our withdraw works fine. Okay, and let's create that condition if but let me first write this else condition. If withdraw is greater than 0, okay, but if else condition, we will simply system out print line and error, like we had in the add many option. And okay, and now okay, if withdraw is greater than 0, and now if withdraw is lesser than or can be also equal to cash balance. Okay, that's the condition for withdraw the money. Okay, and let's start. Okay, and we will have integer new cash balance will be equal to cash balance minus withdraw. And the next thing, it will be like now similar like with add money, local date time, and time will be equal to local date time. It will be now, and we will gonna print system out print line. You successfully withdraw and plus withdraw amount that we entered. Okay, and now we need to set a new cash balance. It will be logged user dot get cash register and set amount, and it will be new cash balance. Okay, and transactions okay, we will add, it will be the same thing, new transaction. Okay, and our transaction ID will be transactions, and here instead of change we will put a withdraw. Change will be withdraw. Okay, and time we will left, we need only a semicolon here. Okay, we will see where is the error, where the construction. Okay, let me yes, I forgot the size, transactions dot size, I forgot. Okay, and okay, I think it should be good, and we can now we withdraw money that but first okay, if withdraw is less or equal to cash balance, but if amount that we want to withdraw is greater than cash balance, we need the else condition. We will simply write system out print line, you do not have enough funds. Okay, should be fine. Okay, and also we need to, it's option 2, withdraw money, and we need to write it here, withdraw money user you. Okay, that should be fine. And Okay, Control S to save. Let me use Control Shift and F and Control S to save. Okay, to be okay, now this is good. I think this is good. We will try to. Okay. Okay, we can try with first user. Okay, strong and strong. Okay, and we successfully login. Let's check the cash balance. It's a 350. Okay, and now let's try. Let's choose option 2 to withdraw. Okay, enter amount for withdrawal. Okay, we want to withdraw 1,000. Okay, will you give me the 1,000 and oh, you do not have enough funds. Huh, that's too bad. Okay, but let me choose again option 2 and enter amount for withdrawal. Okay, minus 50. And it will gonna type an error. Okay, and let's try again. Let's choose a withdraw option 2 and enter amount for withdrawal. Okay, we will withdraw 250. Okay, and what we're gonna have? Okay, current cash balance, you successfully withdraw 250, and now we need from the current cash balance 350. Okay, and now let's check the current cash balance. Okay, and current cash balance is 100. That's great. And let's try again. We have 100. Let's try to withdraw. Okay, 200. Will you accept? Okay. You don't have enough funds. That's not good. That's not good, but it's good. And let's try to first let's just a moment. Let's choose the option 2, withdraw money. Okay, we will withdraw 40. And current cash balance is 100, and you successfully withdraw 40. Okay, let's check the cash balance again, and it will be 60. If will it be 60? Oh yes, it will be. This works perfectly. As you can see, and let me show one more thing. Now you are. If we choose option 2, enter amount for withdrawal, we will put 10, and it will current cash balance. It is a current before withdrawing. You successfully withdraw 10, and but now you will, why it writes as a previous cash balance? It is because when because of this method, because cash balance are loading here, as you can see, and he always prints us. We could change that. For example, if we type instead of a method, we type only a text. But I wanted just to you can change this, but it doesn't mean, because it works perfectly fine. We can change, but if we just put a text here and load the balance and delete it from the method, but in this case we will not gonna do that. Okay, we have current check the cash balance in 50. And if we want to withdraw 20, will be the same thing. Current cash balance, it is a previous cash balance in this situation. If it's 50, we successfully withdraw 20, and if we check the cash balance with option 3, it will be 30. Okay, Our third option is resolve, and in the next tutorial, we will complete this application with resolving the fourth option, option 4, which where we will counting that we will have the list of transactions that we made. Okay, I really hope that you understand this, and really hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the video description, and see you shortly in the next tutorial.